I just might change my mind and let you in my forever. Oh, how much is it? Okay, you can have this, and you can take that. Take a back that bag. Yes. Yes. Yeah. No, not that bag. The other one. You're too much. The bag they empty. Yeah. It's a man product, okay?
Alright, yeah.
Okay. You know when I do that for shame, man. Oh my God, I got it wrong. You know when I do that after shave, man. Then I don't want to block it from over here, you know. Is that you're going to recharge or you get a block. Don't share the live. Your bat's too big. I made the post clap back, me don't want to see.
One eternity later.
See something I'm up on the live yesterday. On Rose live. You see it. And I realize there's something in the air she need to. I'm going to break down the anniversary from start. That's what I say. Alright then. It plan like forget everything together. It did kinda difficult. That's what I say, me up on the fuck say, me have to make a whole heap of them to other people and you see it forget what me did want. Cause me did want all that. Me did want it more, but I could even boy, I can't explain myself. I don't need now to explain myself, you know. Alright then. No matter. Chat. Coming up to the anniversary. I never want to tell Rosealee me I do. You see, I didn't want it to be a whole surprise to her. You see, on my behalf. Anyways, I end up get everything together. For me get the person, I'm want to listen to me. That's what I say. For me, price no matter about certain things. That's what I say. At the thought will count. You see, because money and certain things is not an issue. For me. You see. Anyways, coming up to the anniversary, I get the place, meaning the beach, because it was a public beach. So I did have to, not public beach, it was a private beach. You see it. So I did have to pay if you get a part on the beach, which cost me like 30 grand. You see what I say? For pay if you get that little small area there, so I pay like 30 grand for it. I mean, I tell you, cost will come from me. You see? For pay the musician, which was the saxophone guy, it cost me $120,000. If you can Google it, look it up, you see seminar tell me like it cost me $120,000. The decoration of the place, it cost me another 100 grand. Because I have to get somebody to decorate the place. You see what I say? Out of my pocket. The food preparation, another 100 grand. You see what I say? I'm a supporter them. Send me, cause just through from Bacchus Corner the chef come from. My PR $400 I'm supporter them there another tree. You see what I say? So, and then the video cameraman them again with the drone and everything, I want another 25,000. You see what I say? So do the maths. You see it? is a thing where I try my best to do anything I do, and I do it from my heart. You see what I say? Anything I do it from my heart, brother. You see it? Anyways, my promise on us is 6 o'clock, I did have a compound live with the anniversary. You see how the breeze did go on the beach, it make it difficult to set up. So I did have to go over there and I help out the man them. You see what I say? I help out the man them and every little thing. Because I just did there try to get everything together. Because mostly everything was on me. Mona Lisa, big up. You see? Everything was on me. You see? Most things what we do, it's on me. You see? Rose don't pay for nothing. I pay for shit. You see what I say? Me pay for things. So despite what Unia say, me pay for most of the things that I say. Anyways, my people. My daddy, I say 6 o'clock come. I couldn't even get to start the live calls. You don't know. Rose ready, Rosa call me. Rose ready, Rosa call me. Because I tell her to get ready by 6 o'clock, 6:30. You see, but my daddy with the man them I help set up the place. You see, me and Soji daddy I help with the man them I set up the place. So I have to end up saying Jajastan. When Jajastan reach on the road, I said to him, say, yo bro, go grab one little gift, one little souvenir gift or something in a Fontana pharmacy for me. And he must say, yo, he don't know where I get. So I just tell him, say, yo, turn on the camera and I see what they do. He say, I see one cologne set. I say, yeah man, you can grab that, you see it. People, I tell you something. Just if a Rose birthday, I'm going to go all out, bro. You see what I say? All out. Right all out. You see what I say? All out. And cologne, the 2 cologne them a Rose buy. One band number 9 what I buy in a something there. Right name again R12 for like $500. I buy one band number 9 for your birthday. Plus one baccarat I pay $300 for. Same way, different from other gift for my buy. I'm not talk about that. I'm just show you. So you see most of the people we are worried about gift. And then we could think there. You see what I say? You see most of the people we are worried about gift. I'm not even a look on, bro. You see, me know what I do for my day. But I see Rose give her this something last night and I really feel away. You see what I say? Really feel away. And it make people have me as a laughing stock and a laugh off of me. Like, when me do things not valuable, bro. If me talk about price, you know what you dependent on.
Bro, that's all. I always have your back. So if I feel away, okay, I apologize. But I don't need to come here and sit and lie that I gave away things out of it and the whole complete set me give away. That don't make no sense. No, ruin that blood clot ship here with me a steer. Come in a mascot, come in, I'm not hungry. So I need to tell a lie. Cause when I'm not hungry, me that tell lie. If me the hungry, I'm going to analyze I. Don't want to put that program here. Don't play with me. Me sick in the head upstairs. Many different people. Gemini. Season done. Don't want to put me. You make come tell life. If him say, him feel like him effort wasn't good enough, I apologize. But me never come here, come sit down and tell a lie. I am sorry. I'm going to keep it moving like big people. No forever say I'm sorry before. And that's why I can't like someone because when we don't do no rubbish. Before when come out and say, I apologize and I'm sorry. When you're ready for tell a lie. To cover it up. I don't need to lie. All I can say is if I feel some type of way, I am sorry. Simple, that's all. My sincerely apology. Like when I kept Tamara the kid the bucket. I come apologize to Tamara publicly. But I'm not going to slung and tell no blood clot lie. Because I'm honest. I don't need to come tell a lie. I'm loyal. I don't need to come tell a lie. I saw me stay. You can't program me coming out. All of me don't program me. You don't want to program run yourself on me. Don't tell me what to step on my platform me create. Me not come sit down and tell no blood clot lie. If you said you feel some type of way, Ackeem, I apologize to you. I was in my feeling as well. I apologize. Simple. Women even come and say, oh, me no let I will just keep it casual and keep it moving. So you go. And that's why someone can't keep a relationship because when you do the things, when you're in a relationship and you do the things them, when you don't come out and apologize and say, I'm sorry. I see where I went wrong. I see where I went wrong because if me dey listen, if I have listened, probably that go better. But me not learn to listen. But me not tell a lie.